Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to use Snapchat on your iPad without downloading the app, there's a way to do it through Snapchat Web. Let's go over the steps to get it working. Start by opening Safari or any other web browser on your iPad. In the address bar, type web.snapchat.com and wait for the login page to load. If the site automatically redirects you to the App Store or opens the Snapchat app, you may need to delete the Snapchat app temporarily. This will prevent your iPad from forcing the app to open instead of loading the web version. If Snapchat Web doesn't load correctly, try requesting the desktop version of the site. To do this, tap the AA button in the address bar and select Request Desktop Site. This makes Snapchat think you're using a computer, which can help bypass any mobile browser restrictions. Once the page loads properly, sign in using your Snapchat username and password. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to verify your login with a security code sent via SMS or another verification method. Once you're signed in, you can send messages, view chats, and interact with friends just like you would in the app. While Snapchat Web doesn't have all the features of the mobile app, it still lets you stay connected without having to download anything. That's it. Now you know how to use Snapchat on your iPad without downloading the app. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.